And I'm Ariel. We're from Proud Bisaya Bay.
So mga bay, nangita ba mo mga barato o mga high quality na mga eyeglasses?
Yes, it's real na gyud nga nanagid siya diri sa Cebu City,
yes. No? Excited kayo mi guys kay actually kani siya na optical clinic no kay suki jud ni siya nako. And karon
actually nakita nako before ang imong kanang post as in gwapa kayo ka
Charan.
Sa imong eyeglasses. So na-curious ko, that's why I'm so here.
Gidala na ko si Ariel sa ilang grand opening diri sa Bacalso CityMall nila na branch. So guys.
Yes, of course. And also, naa sila daghang mga pakulo and activities, and most especially daghan kay sila og mga free.
Yeah, so sila free check-up, free graded lens, and nasa sila 50% kani
mo gid siya ang highlight. So 50% off, imagine 50%.
For as low as 495 pesos guys, maka-eyeglass na ka. So barato na jud kayo, dapat magpa-check up na sa inyong mga mata kay para maklaro na inyong mga kaugmaon na charla.
Future,
so dili na nato dugayon, tara magpa-check up na ta.
Let's go.
Start with the biggest letter.
FD.
Good.
CT. FD. CT. FDKH.
Sige lang sir. Ako i-introduce na lens ni Moron ha. Same target.
APRB.
Good.
Mas clear siya, sir.
Mas clear siya. Compare kanina, no? Clear pa or medyo blurry na?
Medyo, ay, clear pa siya, sir.
Clear pa siya.
So
na-clear na dyan ni mo na wala dyan ka mo.
future.
Hugot.
Wala dyan ka mo.
This one. Very good.
FDKH.
Bakit ba po siya ni mo?
Ganun, tuloy natin ako ng phone.
Oh, di ba?
And it fits on my outfit.
Actually, kani ako napilian and nindot kay siya sa akong mata, dili siya bugat, ay gaan kay siya sa akong mata din. Super clear. Clear kaayo jud nga. Wala di ay future.
Okay na, basta na naka-eyeglass.
I love it. Ganahan kay ko. Bahala na nadara. See? Di mo maibo? Got my new eyeglasses.
Wow.
Na-happy ko. Nice kayo.
Bagay kasi yung face shape, sir.
Laro na kayo. Ngawa na jud mi ani.
Laro na.
Kumakapangot ko.
Thank
Thank you.
Alright mga bay, so we just finished with our check-up guys sa mga mata.
Yes, as in, I really enjoyed and worth it good siya. As in, free check-up. Then, ang ilang mga glasses as in nice kaayo. There's a lot of colors and designs.
Yes, guys. And aside from that, guys, nindot pa jud kayo diri sa Fernandez Optical kay accommodating and very detailed jud kayo mo explain ang ilang optometrist, guys.
Yes, ganahan kay ko kay kanang approachable, then kung andyan kay sila, they're very kanang attentive to their customers.
Especially also ilang mga staff kanang tabangan jud kanila kung unsa inyong bagay jud sa kayo sa inyong naong na mga frame. Actually guys, na sila promo no from July 1 to 31 guys. Na sila free check-up, free graded lens, and there's a wide selection of frames and there's no additional charges guys. And also for as low as 495 pesos maka-eyeglass na
Yes,
ka.
legit jud na siya, legit jud siya.
So what are you waiting for guys? Come and visit Fernandez Optical, which is located here in 2nd floor City Mall here in Bacalso Avenue, Cebu City.
Yes, and dali ra gyud kay siya tultulod. It's a walking distance coming from E-Mall,
Yes.
and it's beside Cebu South Bus Terminal.
So for more details guys about their promos, you can visit their Facebook page, Fernandez Optical.
And also they have Instagram.
Yes. Na sila lahi na branch. First branch nila is nasa Banilad. So kung dol mo sa Banilad, so pwede resad mo dito. But dire guys, kaya mo na silang new branch dire sa Cebu City. So yeah, you can
How about
also,
their contact numbers?
ang contact number nila, we'll just put the number in the description box guys, so that you can contact them for booking, or if you want to have an appointment, so better contact them guys on their Facebook page and contact details. Alright mga guys, so I think this is the best time to end this vlog.
Yes.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Fernandez
much.
Optical, for
As in,
having us.
nag-enjoy jud ko. It's all worth it. And mga bay, if you want us to visit your place, your businesses, you can message us on our Facebook page. We have also Instagram. And also, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Proud Bisaya by TV.
Amen.
Good morning and congratulations. Let's have lunch now.
Picture sila mga bay sa artista mga bay. Si Doc Christine.